Hello, and welcome to AKS60. AKS60 is rewriting expressions involving radicals and rational exponents. So, I have three radical expressions set up, and what your radical expression is basically asking is, whatever number is here in your little v, it's asking for that's the number of groups that it wants you to make. And for your variables, these numbers are the number of things you have to make into groups. So to find what your A is going to be, you're going to have one, two, alright, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So you have 6 A's, and you have to make them into groups of 2. One group, 2 groups, so you have 3 groups of A's, right? So rewriting, A is going to be on the outside. It's going to be A cubed. And you're not. Okay. Now you want to do is your 10. So you're not. You already have 6. You have 7, 8, 9, 10. You break those off into groups. You have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 groups. So you're gonna have B to the 5th on the outside. And then after that, you have to break down your number here. So, and two numbers that equals 24 is 6 and 4. You're basically doing your tree. 4, and then 2 times 3 equals 6, and then 2 times 2 equals 4. The number that reoccurs is going to go on the outside. So you have 2 on the outside, and your single number is going to be 3 on the inside. So this will be your full answer. This is your rewritten radical expression. So now let's move on to the second one. So you start with making your groups. So it's asking for 4, so you have 4 A's. 4 A's. And I want you to make groups of 4, so you have one full group all together. So you're gonna just regular A on the outside, and then it wants you to have 6 A's, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And it's going to be 1 B. And on the inside, when you have things left over, whatever you have left over, you put on the inside. So it's going to be B squared on the inside. Since you have 2 left over, and you can add the rest 11. So 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Break this off into groups of 4. You only have 2 groups, so C squared is going to go on the outside. And then since you have 3 left over, it's going to be C cubed on the inside. And then you break your 18 down, you do the tree. So you go do 6 and 3 or 9 and 2. Doesn't matter. You're going to get the same thing either way. 2 and 3. The number that recurs is 3. It's going to have 3 on the outside and then 2 on the inside. Let me what's that 2? And 2 on the inside. So this is your rewritten radical expression for the second one. Now, go to the third one. So you start off as always. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 A's. And you want you to break them off into groups of 3. You're only going to have one group of 3. So A is going to go on the outside. And then you're going to have A squared on the inside since you have 2 left over. So we're at 5. Let's go to 8 since that's our next number. So 5, 6, 7, 8. Break this off into groups of 3. Now you have C squared. Make sure to leave space for your B. You have C squared and then C squared again. Since you have 2 groups and then 2 left over. Now you do 11, so we're at 8, 9, 10, 11. Break them off into groups. You have B cubed, since you have 3 groups of 3. And then B squared, since you have 2 left over. And you break down this 9, just 3, and 3, since that's the number that reoccurs. 3 goes on the outside, and nothing goes on the inside. And this is your rewritten radical expression. That's how you do AKS60. I hope this helped. Bye.